a world where secrets often shroud the corridors of power and influence, there exists a group of individuals who dare to stand against the tide of deception. Whistleblowers, those unsung heroes of honesty and integrity, play a vital role in exposing hidden truths that impact society, government, corporations, and beyond. But what exactly is a whistleblower? And why are they so important? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is a whistleblower, why someone would whistleblow, and what are the key regulations for whistleblowers. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is a whistleblower? A whistleblower is an individual who exposes or reveals information about illegal, unethical, or wrongful activities within an organisation or institution. These activities can range from corporate fraud, corruption, or financial crimes, to safety violations, environmental hazards, or any other form of misconduct. Whistleblowers typically come from within the organisation or institution they are reporting on, and their primary motivation is to expose wrongdoing and hold those responsible accountable. They play a crucial role in uncovering and shedding light on hidden or concealed actions that may be harmful to the public, stakeholders, or the general well-being of society. Why would someone whistleblow? People choose to blow the whistle for a variety of reasons, and their motivations can be complex and personal. Some common reasons why individuals decide to blow the whistle include exposing wrongdoing. Whistleblowers are often motivated by a sense of moral or ethical duty to reveal illegal, unethical, or harmful activities. They believe that it is essential to bring attention to the wrongdoing, to prevent further harm, or to hold those responsible accountable. Protecting the public interest. Whistleblowers may act in the interest of the greater good, seeking to protect the public, consumers, or stakeholders from potential harm caused by the wrongful actions of an organisation or institution. Standing up against injustice. Whistleblowers may witness injustices within their workplace or society and feel compelled to take action to rectify the situation and bring about positive change. Personal values and integrity. Some individuals blow the whistle because their personal values and principles align with honesty, transparency, and ethical behaviour. They may find it difficult to remain silent when they witness wrongdoing. Correcting organisational issues. Whistleblowers might hope that exposing misconduct will prompt the organisation or institution to address and correct the issues, leading to improved practices and ethics. Preventing retaliation. In some cases, individuals blow the whistle to preemptively protect themselves and their colleagues from potential retaliation by disclosing the wrongdoing before it affects them negatively. Legal or regulatory requirements. Some industries and jurisdictions have legal obligations for employees to report certain types of misconduct, making whistleblowing a legal requirement. And seeking justice. Whistleblowers may be motivated by a desire for justice, to see the perpetrators of the wrongdoing face legal consequences for their actions. It is essential to recognise that whistleblowers often face significant personal and professional risks, including potential retaliation, job loss, social isolation, and even legal challenges. Despite these risks, many individuals choose to blow the whistle driven by their sense of responsibility and commitment to doing what they believe is right. Well-known whistleblower cases. In 1992, Keith Schooley, who was rated as a top broker in Enid, Oklahoma, discovered systematic wrongdoing at Merrill Lynch, an American investment bank that ranged from brokers to management to the board of directors and included license-related exam cheat sheets, country club list theft, embezzlement, falsification of records, failure of management to deliver millions of assets, bond-rated fraud, client abuse, perjuries, conspiracies and cover-ups. On discovering the wrongdoings, Schooley presented his findings to upper management, who then subsequently covered up his report. When Schooley discovered this, he then presented to the board of directors. Schooley was then summoned by Merrill Lynch Vice Chairman and General Counsel Stephen Hammerman for a meeting at company headquarters at the World Financial Center in New York, where he was confronted by senior management and their attorneys. Instead of fixing the issues and thanking Schooley, he was in fact fired. Mr. Schooley then decided to sue the bank, but subsequently lost his case. On May 5, 2023, the Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, announced the largest ever award, nearly $279 million, to a whistleblower whose information and assistance led to the successful enforcement of SEC and related actions. This is the highest award in the SEC whistleblowing program's history, more than doubling the $114 million Whistleblower Award the SEC issued in October 2020. They said, "The size of this award, the highest in our program's history, not only incentivizes whistleblowers to come forward with accurate information about potential securities, law violations, but also reflects the tremendous success of our whistleblower program," said Gerber S. Gruel, Director of the SEC's Division of Enforcement. This success directly benefits investors, as whistleblower tips have contributed to enforcement actions, resulting in orders requiring bad actors to disgorge more than $4 billion in ill-gotten gains and interest. As this award shows, there is a significant incentive for whistleblowers to come forward with accurate information about potential security law violations. Creola Kelly, Chief of the SEC's Office of the Whistleblower, also added, "The whistleblowers' sustained assistance, including multiple interviews and written submissions, was critical to the success of these actions. While the whistleblower's information did not prompt the opening of the Commission's investigation, their information expanded the scope of misconduct charged." What are the key whistleblower regulations? Whistleblower regulations are laws and guidelines designed to protect individuals who report misconduct, wrongdoing, or illegal activities within an organisation, either public or private. These individuals are known as whistleblowers, and their actions play a crucial role in promoting transparency, accountability, and integrity in various sectors. The specific regulations and protections for whistleblowers may vary from country to country, and even within different jurisdictions within a country. However, there are some common features found in many whistleblower regulations. Confidentiality. Whistleblower regulations often emphasize the confidentiality of the whistleblower's identity. The identity of the individual reporting the misconduct is typically kept confidential to protect them from retaliation. Protection from retaliation. Whistleblower regulations generally provide legal protections to shield whistleblowers from any retaliation, such as termination, demotion, harassment, or discrimination, resulting from their disclosures. These protections aim to encourage individuals to come forward without fear of reprisals. Reporting channels. Regulations often establish clear reporting channels for whistleblowers to disclose their concerns internally within the organisation or externally to appropriate authorities, such as government agencies or regulators. Anonymity. In some cases, whistleblower regulations allow individuals to report misconduct anonymously to further protect their identity. Reward and incentive programs. Some jurisdictions have implemented reward or incentive programs to encourage whistleblowers to come forward. This may involve financial rewards or a percentage of fines recovered from regulatory actions resulting from the reported misconduct. Scope of protections. The regulations may specify the types of misconduct or violations that qualify for protection under the whistleblower laws. This could include financial fraud, corruption, environmental violations, safety issues, public health concerns, and more. False claims and malicious reporting. Whistleblower regulations often address false claims and malicious reporting to prevent abuse of the system. Whistleblowers who knowingly provide false information may face legal consequences. It's important to note that whistleblower regulations can be complex and vary significantly between different countries, industries, and sectors. Therefore, if you are considering blowing the whistle on any misconduct, it is essential to familiarise yourself with the specific laws and protections that apply to your situation in your region. Seeking legal counsel or advice from relevant authorities can clarify your rights and obligations as a whistleblower. Well, there you have it. What is a whistleblower, why someone would whistleblow, and what are the key regulations for whistleblowers? Please let us know in the comments section if you think whistleblowers are doing a good job at lifting the lid on injustices, and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.